guys, welcome back to Navigate the Wild. Tonight we're doing a family favorite. We're going to do wild hog stir fry. It's one of the best meals that we do in our home almost weekly, and it's a great way to get your kids to eat their vegetables the way we want them to. We've got some chopped up wild hog here tonight we're going to use in the Ninja, and we're going to do our vegetables in the oven at about 425 degrees, and we're going to make our rice with the bone broth. So let's get started. There's no wrong way to do this recipe, guys. You can use anything that's at your disposal. We have an Instapot, we have a Ninja, we have a few of these items that make recipes a little easier, but overall, you can really get away with any type of method of cooking. The most important thing you want to make sure is that your wild hog is at an internal temperature of about 145 degrees. Once you pull that out, it's going to rise another 10 degrees. Our vegetables are in. Those take the longest. So we're going to start on our rice. I got a pressure cooker hand-me-down a couple years back, and it's been fantastic for us. It does rice no matter how many cups in about 9 minutes. So the most important thing is you allow this to decompress naturally. Fat in there, that's always great, little collagen, fantastic. Okay, so that's going in. And then we're going to do a 1/4 cup of sesame oil. The sesame oil just adds a really nice flavor to the back end of the rice. It's really good. So 1/4 cup of sesame oil. We're going to put it in our Ninja here and let it cook with some teriyaki marinade, and that's going to be the protein of choice for our stir fry.